Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up WhatsApp proxy for restricted areas. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open WhatsApp on your phone and then you're going to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you'll be redirected to settings. Here, you're going to scroll down and click on storage and data. Here, then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option of proxy. And now you're going to click on setup proxy. And now you're going to enter the proxy address provided by a trusted source. And here you're going to type down the proxy address provided by a trusted source, then tap save. WhatsApp will try to connect through the proxy server. If the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation indicator. If the proxy doesn't work, try a different proxy address as some proxies may be blocked or unavailable. WhatsApp introduced the proxy feature to help people stay connected in regions where access to WhatsApp is restricted or disrupted. Messages and calls remain end-to-end encrypted when using a proxy. But if you don't see the proxy option, update WhatsApp to latest version and check again under settings and then storage data. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.